Hi, we're Liberty Real Estate Solutions, and we are here at 21 Alberta Drive in Saddlebrook, New Jersey.
This is a fully renovated 5-bed, 2 full bath colonial home. We did everything brand new, new siding, new roof, brand new kitchen, new bathrooms. We finished the basement. It has new HVAC, central air, central heat. This is a fantastic property. We're really excited to bring this to market.
We put our heart and soul into this project, so if you like what you're seeing, contact our listing agent today to schedule a tour.